how to send crypto from Binance to Phantom Wallet. Now, to be able to do that, make sure to open your Phantom Wallet first. As you can see here, this is the only cryptos that get accepted on Phantom Wallet. So to be able to transfer that crypto from your Binance, you need to select one of these cryptos that get accepted on Phantom Wallet. So after you select one of these cryptos, for example, the Ethereum. So if you don't have the funds on Ethereum or any Bitcoin or any Polygon or any of these cryptos, you need to convert that funds on that token to one of these, as you can see, that get accepted to Phantom Wallet. Now, first of all, or for example, we have the funds on the Ethereum. So now go back, or as you can see, now go, and now you can tap on your Ethereum, and now we need to get to the withdrawal address of that crypto. So to get to withdrawal address of Ethereum, for example, in Phantom Wallet, now as you can see, click on receive. Now just copy the withdrawal address and now go back and open your Binance app. Now make sure to log into your account and on tap on assets, and now select the spot from the top bar and now click on withdraw. As you can see in the search, you can now type the ETH like that, and after you find your token, now just click on it and click on send via crypto network, as you can see. So after that, in the address, you can provide the address that you copied from your Phantom Wallet. In the network, select the Ethereum ERC20 and the amount. You can type how much you want to transfer, and after that you can click on withdraw. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your crypto on your Phantom Wallet. So this is how to send crypto from Binance to Phantom Wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.